Hello everyone, Mike Arnold here, co-founder, Pat Trading Partners, along with Bob Iacchino. So we're starting on the Tesla 4-hour chart, gapping up today. Remember, let me jump out to the daily real quick. So we have the nice rotation up, closing above the top of the rotation zone, bumping up against our 25% level. We were still watching for the gap fill. We got that gap fill with the gap open, couldn't sustain anything. There's very strong resistance up here. Let me drop to that 4-hour again. So they're around this 800 level. Very, very strong resistance. You can see it's where we look for the candle bodies all lining up. You can see all this big thing, and we spiked up to there today and then sold off. It's looking like it's losing momentum. When you have a rotation back up and then you next day pulls back like this on a little weakness, we're going to be focusing then to see the rotation zone. So if we get back below 750 tomorrow, then we'll be watching for a retest of the lower end of the rotation zone coming in right now about, I'll be watching about 708 to 711. There's a lot of key support down here too. So we have key resistance up here, key support down here. So I'll start watching for that bigger pullback since it is running out of momentum. That is if we trade below the rotation zone. As long as we stay above the rotation zone, then it's still in a positive mark. But if it starts dropping the rotation zone, we have a failed rotation back up. Doesn't mean the trade's over. Remember, you put your stop below the rotation zone on a rotation up. It just means you're in cautious mode. If we get above today's high, that's at that 800 area, there's going to be some minor resistance at this cluster at 816, but major area will then start watching us around 850 again on a move up. Keep in mind, we did have the big daily divergence that was confirmed, went to the bottom rotation zone, rotated up, and now it's pulling back a bit. So we're at sort of a critical juncture, but until we get below the rotation zone on the daily, we will stay in bullish mode. That's what we have for you on Tesla, and we'll talk to everyone soon. Bye for now.